Nerds! It is I, your friendly neighborhood Christian comic creator, Artsy, Bible Nerd, Bible Nerd, Bible Nerd, Bible Nerd, Bible Nerd. Greetings! How's everybody doing? It is Tuesday night, the first Tuesday of March, Tuesday the 5th, Tuesday, March the 5th. How's it going? Here's what we're doing. This is page number 24. If you haven't been here in a while, if you've never been here before, this is Jesus walking on the road to Emmaus. This is the end of chapter 1, end of issue number 1. And there's Jesus on the road, and he's talking to his disciples on the road to Emmaus, and this is when they get it, and they're astonished, and they're amazed, and we go to the next panel, and they're so amazed that they stop walking. There's more gawking and less walking. So they're just staring at each other in amazement, and they're smiling, and then they have to catch up with Jesus because he's still walking and talking. So there you go. How do you make walking and talking look exciting? I did my best. My goal was to make it look exciting to walk and talk about history. So there you go. And I really do believe it is exciting to talk about biblical history. If you're not excited by your Bible, you're not looking deep enough. You're just reading the words on the page instead of looking the story behind the words on the page. Look at the history behind those words. So, anyway, here we go. Let's continue drawing Joseph, favored son of Israel. So my daughter's home from college. Visiting home. She's back home from college during spring break. And that doesn't mean we get to see her I did see her on my way home. I saw her coming in through the door as she was walking out through the door. It is nice to know that she still exists. It's nice to have a sighting, a daughter sighting. There we go. That looks like a believable fingernail. What about this one? What about this finger? So, how's it going, Guts and the Beautiful? Michael Bolden is my name. How's it going? How are you? Haven't seen you in a while. How are things with you? So, if you haven't heard, this week is Spring Forward Week. Yep, nobody likes the spring forward. People like the fall back part, but they don't like the spring forward part. Going great, been messing around trying to write poems. Alright, awesome. Are you a musician as well? Do you write music with your poems or just poetry? I've written some songs myself. I was doing music production as well, but it's been a task. Yeah. Tell me about it. What kind of tools are you using for music production? I was doing some music production. I was using GarageBand, the thing that comes installed on your Mac, and it is a chore. FL Studio, Florida Studio, and now I'm dubbing in MuseScore 4. I've never heard of that. FL? Is that Florida, or are you talking about a software application? Pardon my lack of. Ooh. Let's bring that down a little bit. There we go. I've never heard of FL. Unless it means Football League. Fruity Loops. Oh, I have heard of Fruity Loops. You musicians and your lingo. So what kind of music are you working on? What kind of lyrics are you working on? What's it about? Awkwardly can't read sheet music for MuseScore, but I'll work on it. Yeah, reading sheet music is a talent in itself.